Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share the results for week 1 on my YouTube channel. I've just started my YouTube channel and I have uploaded 5 videos till now, and I would say that results are not very encouraging, but does that mean that I should quit? I think no, because I have seen a lot of established YouTubers with amazing channels, amazing growth, amazing viewers, and a lot of activity going on. All of them say one thing, that your that when you are starting out, your first few videos, maybe 15, 20, 50 videos or more than that, will suck. Maybe they don't get views, you will not get subscribers, but this is the time when you need to stay consistent, you need to get motivated, you need to trust your abilities. Yes, you need to learn, you need to, you know, analyze what videos are doing good, which ones are not, and how you can improve with every single video. And eventually you will be able to create videos that get views, likes, comments, and subscribers. So right now we are in my YouTube channel dashboard and we are watching our channel analytics. As you can see, I haven't got anything in the last 28 days. Actually, till now, today is 21st July, and up till now I have only published 5 videos, and I have got no views, no subscribers, no comments, nothing. As far as I have analyzed the advice from the leading, the most popular YouTubers, they say that your first 50, 100, or maybe 200 videos may suck. So you will feel yourself that those videos are not worth the views, comments, and subscribers. And after that time frame, that period, you will start to get some traction and you will feel that yes, now you are talking about something really interesting. So as you can see, I have been inconsistent up till now. My last video was published on 17th July, so that means I need to be consistent. And the problem is that right now I'm also looking for a job and I'm continuously updating my content, my profile, my CV, and I am, outreaching companies. That is the reason that I'm unable to publish consistently. But yes, I know this one thing, that to be able to get some traction on YouTube, you need to be showing up every single week, whether you publish one video, two videos, three videos, or more, whatever you can do easily. So from today onward, I'm trying to commit to myself that I will publish one valuable video at least per week, with proper research, proper SEO optimization, and after proper researching a topic that is interesting for my audience, for my viewers. Okay, so and I will try to publish consistently my weekly channel report, how my channel is doing, how the content is doing, my subscribers, views, or any comments I'm getting, my videos are getting. I will be sharing everything because I want to be transparent with my viewers, and I'm documenting my journey to inspire, to encourage other people in their 30s, 40s, or beyond. As you can see inside our channel analytics, I have got 36 impressions. That means YouTube is showing my videos to the feeds of people, who are on YouTube, right? So as you can see, in the last 7 days my impressions have gone up a little bit. These are small wins, and when you are just starting out, when you are not getting mega results, these small little wins need to be celebrated. This keeps your momentum going. As you can see, I have got 36 impressions, and out of those, 41.7% are from YouTube recommending my content to the people. Okay, so besides that, there's nothing you can say encouraging or worth noticing. And I will be updating my channel performance every single week, so that you can see for yourself uh, in real time what is going on inside my channel and how my videos are performing on the platform. And right now here, as you can see, uh, YouTube is giving me some suggestions, some ideas of videos that are doing good on the platform right now. And if I can adopt these ideas to my niche, to my channel, uh, YouTube thinks that my videos will perform better than they are doing right now, right? So like this one video is very popping up, this idea, give me 8 minutes and blah blah blah, and give me 6 minutes, the exact supply demand system. So these are some very interesting topics and interesting hooks that is doing good on YouTube right now. So in the future videos I will be taking notes from these YouTube suggestions, obviously. Why I quit futures and came back, why I quit my job at the age of 19, that's interesting idea, because I can relate to that. Because I quit my job when I was like 38, a few months back. I will be sharing that amazing story. So guys, after analyzing my YouTube dashboard, I have realized that I need to do some things that will improve my future videos. So the number one mistake I am doing is that I am not being consistent with my publishing schedule. So in the first week, I published only one video. In the second week, I published three videos. And in the third week, I was only able to publish one video. So this inconsistent publishing schedule is something that YouTube algorithm doesn't like. Okay, so uh, what this tells me that I need to be committed, I need to be consistent with my publishing schedule. So, and I hope to get more impressions, more views, and eventually my first subscriber for my YouTube channel. So, and the second thing is that I got 36 impressions on my YouTube videos. That means YouTube is trying to show my videos to people. So I'm getting some impressions. That's the other story, that I'm not getting views. People are not clicking on my videos, or maybe my videos are not ranked high enough on search results, which can get me clicks and views and vice versa. So this is number two. So number three thing is that I need to be working on my video editing skills. I'm already doing a lot of learning. I'm trying to make every video better from the previous one, and I'm using free software, Microsoft Clipchamp, and I will try to improve my editing skills so that my future videos will look more engaging, interesting, and people love to keep watching my video, and that will give me more edge, more visibility on YouTube. So these are some things, these are some factors, some realizations, lessons that I learned after today's video. And I hope you will enjoy, and I hope that you enjoy this journey with me. And if you're in your 40s, 50s, and beyond, and you're looking to start your YouTube channel, then follow me, subscribe my channel to learn everything I'm learning and doing to grow my YouTube channel to a level where I can quit my 9 to 5 job. So if that sounds amazing to you, then subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and I see you in the next one.